Hi guys, me and my sissy are gonna make pancake videos again, so let's get started.
Okay, so
We're gonna do the same like we did last time, but different. Right now she's gonna do a heart for love.
yeah. And that's it. So who are we making this for?
Oh, the heart is, we made it for our mom because we love her so much. So if you want to make a heart, that means you could put it to the heart for somebody who you love, like your parents or your family. So me and my sister made it for my mom.
There she go over there. So should we flip it?
Yeah, we should flip it now.
That looks cool. Okay, here. I gotta check.
Check before you flip it because it might not be ready yet. Look how it turned out. Like pretty.
So where's the other one? What's the other pancake thingy?
The other pancake, it should be a...
You remember that cat I made?
Yeah, you kind of messed up. But this time you should try making a dog.
I don't know how to do it.
Ooh, that part turned out well. The other part...
I'll show this too. Do you like it?
Ooh,
Beautiful. It's hot. I'm sorry. She liked it so far. Okay. I need the butter.
Try making a fish.
Again?
Yes, a baby fish. Sorry guys about that. That looks like a bow because the head is kind of like a shape of a triangle.
I could make it as a bow.
Making a bow is easy.
Okay. Don't record me.
Ah.
So it's a bow. I kind of messed up right there. But yeah, it's supposed to be a fish, but I messed up, so I just make it as a bow. The heart is right there. It looks beautiful. Still hot.
And then can I try making a heart? Yes! I want to try making a heart.
With a spatula? No, it's fine. We're using a bag. So, to see if it's ready, it's supposed to be bubbly in the top, so I'm gonna check. Oop.
Yep, it's
Yep.
done.
Here.
I want to try making a heart, please.
Messed up. See, that's where I messed up right there.
And then how about I make the shape and then you flip it? That's how I don't burn myself, yes? Yes, okay.
I just left it on for 5 seconds or something.
I'm going to try making it on.
After this. Hold it, Sola. You said what?
It's falling
Okay, now it's
apart.
la la cha.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry about that. Sorry for the noise in the background, because they working back there. That's really annoying. It's really annoying. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh yeah, I forgot the butter. Butter. Just put the butter like that. Okay.
How do you work this?
Okay, let me shut up. I'm gonna put this. Okay, how? I don't know, just try your best, La. Okay, that's enough.
Okay,
Okay, that's enough.
that's enough.
Good job.
I tried my best. Sorry, guys. Try my best. Sorry.
What do you guys say for this?
I'm sorry, but yeah, I kind of messed up. But there were some 2 little pancake chips. Little dots. Little tiny pancakes. You should start flipping them.
Hold it like that.
Got some of the pancake chips.
Forget the pancake chips.
Oopsie.
I hate the noise of this. Next up, I should try to spell mom.
Yeah, Mom.
Okay, my
But you need to connect the letters. Because then it'll be all separated.
No, I should start. We should do a P for Peely for mom, and we should excite her.
Do the first letter of your mom's name, okay? See?
I try my best.
The first letter of your mom's name. And then show her when you're done. It looks like a B upside down. Or a D.
See, I try my best.
But when you flip it,
what did you try to do?
nothing.
No, Fro, don't do it. Okay, hold up. It's gonna be a tough one. Okay.
Don't. Please don't. You need 2 spatulas for this. No! Oh, okay.
Okay, keep an eye on that. I'll be right back.
She'll come back in a minute.
the camera.
It's blue on the bottom and it looks beautiful. You guys can see it? You see it right there? That's the fire on the bottom.
L.
For L for who? L for...
No, not L. What should I make?
Does the bottom look beautiful? It's all blue. You see that? That's the fire from the bottom.
No, Lala. What should I make?
Try making a...
Tiny hearts.
Oh, cool. To make tiny hearts, all you gotta do is just make a V. For big permanent marker, you know the fat, big Sharpies, all you gotta do is just write a V. But be careful, because